Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do a hack for Subway Surfers. This is a modded APK, so you gotta delete your first unhack Subway Surfers. It's just okay, just uninstall it. Then go to this website. The link is in the description. So this website right here. Okay, where's Chrome there? So here, type this here, then this should pop up. This. Now click download now, and it will say something, turn on unknown sources. So click the settings and scroll down, and you will see unknown sources, and turn that on, and next it will pop up in the screen, and click install, and this is the results. It's really cool, guys. It's really cool. 100% working. Just check it out, guys. So this is Value Hack. This is the results of your hack. Okay, it's just loading. Load. So, okay, this is gonna happen. I buy 277 hoverboards, and look at my money. Look at that. And look at the characters. I buy it all of them. You have to buy them all. But these things over here, you gotta collect them in the box first. But I unlocked Riggy. So I buy her a dress. Let's buy her a dress. Okay, let's buy her a dress. There. So that's it, guys. So that's it, guys. And you can buy some boards too, like that. Blah blah blah. You can get infinite boards, and that's the result, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe too. So bye bye.